everyone, my name is Nick and welcome to our TED Talk, where today we are going to be discussing the Google Glass, which is the wearable smart glasses announced by Google's Project X in 2012. So Google Glass is a hands-free device that allows for the user to interact and increase their productivity in a myriad of situations. For example, the healthcare and educational fields. So without further ado, here's Matt to go over the uses in healthcare.
Thank you, Nick. So one industry that Google Glass could potentially revolutionize would have to be the health industry. One benefit with Google Glass would be telemedicine, where surgeons can connect on demand and have video conversations with other physicians in the field. Another benefit would be improved visibility. Google Glass would allow you to have different viewing angles throughout a procedure and also video playback for future use. Now imagine you're a surgeon and need to research something on the spot. Instead of pulling out your smartphone and spending time, Google Glass will allow you to use voice commands to access this information a little bit quicker. So overall, these medical benefits will have to wait until another brave company like Google produces another wearable technology. Now I'm going to pass it over to Juan to talk a little bit more about an industry that Google Glass could potentially impact.
Thanks, Matt. Another potential industry Glass would have revolutionized is education. There are a few apps released by third-party developers to help people learn new materials that they didn't know before wearing an AR device such as Google Glass. For instance, an app named AR Glass for Wikipedia. This app allows you to retrieve data from Wikipedia and display them in your site, just like catching Pokemon around you. Here is another app named Watch Me Talk, which provides live caption to help people who have communication difficulty in day-to-day conversation. This also helps translating foreign language to users' native language, and John will talk about some pros and cons of the Glass.
Thanks, Juan. I'm John. I'll be discussing some of the pros and cons about Google Glass. For the Oculus Rift and HTC Vive, the go-to wearable craze that swept the nation was the Google Glass, which paved the way for AR and VR headsets that are entering the market right now. With wearable technology slowly taking over the world, Google sought to cash in on the craze with the world's first face-mounting wearable smart device, allowing users to simplify their day-to-day experiences with intuitive time-saving applications. They can display multiple types of information without using hands, enhancing user experience for playing and socializing, trim information so the user would not get information overload, help professionals working in their field, help users not avoid distracting from their tasks, and interrupt only if needed. However, not everybody was excited about the Google Glass. Lawmakers were quick to create restrictions over its use. Glass had been banned at several venues, such as concert halls, movie theaters, and casinos, as well as it being illegal to drive while using the wearable. The wearable's built-in camera also concerned people over their safety and privacy rights. One of the key attributors to the fall of Google Glass, however, was poor marketing, as the group of early adopters was mainly tech geeks and journalists that could not benefit from all of its key features. This caused the opinion community of users to express poor reviews to their large following bases. I'm going to pass it back to Nick for some last words about Google Glass.
So if I could sum up the Google Glass in one word, it would have to be courage. Just kidding. No. Google Glass was a risk from start to finish, and Google knew this really well. So they took the fall for the sake of getting technology out there and getting this new wearable to become like mainstream. Even though it's not caught on yet, we've still got things like the HTC Vive and the Microsoft HoloLens coming up, which are going to revolutionize the world.